Hello friends, my name is Imran. I am an intern in Government Medical College. So in this video we are going to discuss about the mediastinal surface of the lung. Before going in deep, my only advice is to memorize both the images of right and left lung, which has all the answers related to the relations and the structures present in it. Starting with the right hilum. This is the right hilum. What are the structures present inside it? Superiorly, we have the eparterial bronchus. As you can clearly see in this image, the structure which is present on superior side is the eparterial bronchus, followed by pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery, which is followed by hyparterial bronchus. As you can clearly see in this image, the hyparterial bronchus ranks third from superior side, followed by pulmonary veins. There are two pulmonary veins, superior and inferior pulmonary vein, followed by the pulmonary ligament. This is the pulmonary ligament. These are the structures present in the right hilum. What are the relations anterior to the hilum? What we can see anterior to the hilum is the cardiac impression. As you can clearly see, this is the cardiac impression. The structures are right auricle, atrium and ventricle. What is the relation vertical to the cardiac impression? As you can clearly see, this is the cardiac impression. What is the structures present vertical? It is the superior vena cava. Superior vena cava is present vertical to the cardiac impression, and the structures which is vertical to superior vena cava, as you can clearly see, the structure which is vertical to superior vena cava is right brachiocephalic vein. What is the structure present posterior to the cardiac impression? This is the cardiac impression. What is the structure present posterior? We have the inferior vena cava. And above right hilum, we have the arch of azygos. As you can clearly see in this image, this is the arch of azygos. And what is the structure posterior to the hilum, which is esophagus? As you can clearly see in this image, this is the esophagus. The structure present posterior to the hilum is esophagus. And now coming to the nerves and the vessels which are present anterior to the right hilum. Anterior to the right hilum, this is the hilum. Anterior is present is right phrenic nerve, and the vessels which are present is right pericardiophenic vessels. And what is the structure present posterior to the right hilum is the vagus nerve, right vagus nerve. As this is the right lung, we have the right vagus nerve. Now coming on to the left lung. What are the mediastinal surface relations of the left lung? First, let's go with the left hilum. This is the left hilum. As you can clearly see in this image, this is the left hilum. What is the structure present on the superior side is the pulmonary artery. As this is the structure present on the superior side is pulmonary artery, followed by hyparterial bronchus. As you can clearly see in this image, which is mentioned as left principal bronchus, hyparterial bronchus, followed by pulmonary veins, superior and inferior pulmonary vein. As compared to the right hilum, we have the eparterial bronchus, followed by pulmonary artery, followed by hyparterial bronchus, followed by pulmonary vein and pulmonary ligament. This is the pulmonary ligament. The structure present anterior to the hilum. The structure that is present anterior to hilum is the cardiac impression. This is the cardiac impression. And we have the left atrium and left ventricle, as this is the left lung. And what is the structure present above the hilum? What is the structure present above the hilum? We have the arch of aorta. We have the arch of aorta. As you can clearly see in this image, what is the structure present above the hilum? We have the arch of aorta. And what is the structure present posterior of the hilum? Posterior of hilum, we have the descending thoracic aorta. And there is a groove for subclavian artery above arch of aorta. This is the arch of aorta, and this is the left subclavian artery. There is a groove for that, which is called as groove for subclavian artery, which is present above the arch of aorta. Now coming on to the esophageal impression. Where is the esophageal impression in this image? This is the esophageal impression, which is present posterior of subclavian artery groove. This is the left subclavian artery. What is the relation posterior? We have the esophageal impression. As this is the left lung, we know there is left phrenic nerve and pericardiophenic vessels anterior to the hilum. This is the anterior to the hilum. We have the left phrenic nerve and left pericardiophenic vessels anterior of hilum. Posterior of hilum, we already know that is left vagus nerve. As this is the left nerve, left lung, we have the left vagus nerve running through posterior of the hilum, left vagus nerve. Thank you for watching. Hope you like my content. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button for more videos.